the fucking bear. Get rid of the fucking bear. Fucking dog. Stop eating shit. We've traveled 2,000 miles into the fucking Arctic Circle. No trees in sight. We've passed the tree line. We're heading to the deep ocean, the Arctic Ocean, where I'm trying to hunt seal and hammerheads, shark, great whites, if you will. Also, let's go. Looks like the trees are starting to break out. The ocean's moving. About 50,000 lions. White lions. I ate about 20 just an hour ago. Fuck that tree. Oh, leg! Fuck! It's all good. Thanks, Doc. Give me max ammo. Give me max health. I'm up. There's about 5,000 U.S. military guards looking for me because I shot the President of the United States, Barack Obama. I'm part of the Canadian Army. U.S. military's looking for me. As you can see, they shot me in the leg. I'll be limping for another hour as I heal. Let's make our way. See this trap? You don't see the line, it's invisible. If I cross that line, I'll blow up. It's low to the ground, so luckily I can jump over it. Shit!